taking off the tomatoes.
Because you're allergic to tomatoes.
Yes. First word shaving, second word chocolates.
Trying to get a mustache. Building a station.
Building a fire station. A police station? Drilling to the center of the earth.
Spinning around in circles. Staring at it.
A little hamster dressed up as a magician.
Magician transforming into a hamster.
A doctor.
That's a hamster.
Finally, we got some straight answers. I made a chart so it's easier to organize our data. People on the bottom, questions on the side.
Now we just have to look and see what they have in common.
Exactly. Question 1. Where were they when they started making the noises?
Ohio was in the park, Odessa was at the museum, Ochenta was at the zoo, and Orzak was at the beach. Nothing in common. If you look across the chart, all of our answers are different.
Question 2. What did they eat for breakfast?
Ohio had eggs, Odessa had eggs, Ochenta had eggs, and Orzak had pizza.
Almost a match, but 3 to 4 isn't good enough. Question 3. What tube did they ride in today?
Ohio said tube 3, Odessa said tube 3, Ochenta said tube 3, and Orzak said pizza.
Pizza?
Wait, Orzak says pizza is his nickname for tube 3.
It's a match. Tube 3 is what they have in common. That must be what's making the noises. Let's move.
Dr. Rowe, I need your help.
What is it?
If you can believe it, Oscar doesn't think this is a gadget.
It isn't.
I knew I should have used more tape.
Otto, we're dealing with a medical emergency right now.
So am I! I need chocolate. Do you have a spare gadget I can borrow?
Take it! Go! We gotta go, now. O'Callahan, tube 3 is the reason people are making these odd noises.
Impossible. I wash and scrub those tubes 11 times a day.
I need you to shut down tube 3 now. This is a medical emergency.
You're a medical emergency.
Whee! Aha! He just came down tube 3 and can't stop making odd noises.
But,
Yes, I can.
what?
I only said we because I love riding down the tubes.
Sorry, O'Callahan.
Love your tubes.
Thank you.
So clean.
Is that a wig?
No.
If tube 3 isn't causing the noises, what is?
Miss O, I know what you're going to say, and I would like you to know we are working hard to find a cure.
That's not what you were going to say?
What is it? You too?
She's not the only one. Come on,